Chinese-built projects in the oil-rich city of Hoima in western Uganda have been helping improve the living standards of local people over the past years. Among the projects is the Buhuka Gravity Flow Scheme Rehabilitation Project, a community water and sanitation project implemented by China National Offshore Oil Corporation. The project is now benefiting over 13,000 residents of 5 villages in Buhuka Sub-County, Kikubi District on the shores of Lake Albert.
So last year, they managed to construct for us this beautiful area you can see, which is called Buhuka Gravity Water Scheme for the community. So from drinking bad water, we are now drinking a safe and clean water, being treated to the community.
While improving local infrastructure, Chinese engineers and technicians have also passed on skills to local youth.
This Chinese company really has improved the livelihood of the people here, because our children here didn't have jobs, and what have you, fishing was hard. It is a hard adventure, because you cannot sustain the future is not reliable. But now, when the Chinese company came here, our boys been employed, so I think their welfare is at least better than it was before.